How to use Google Assistant, Part 2. In the previous video, we discussed how Google Built-in makes it easy for you to ask simple questions. So let's look at a few more examples, such as,
Hey Google, how far can I go on this tank of gas?
You can drive for about 400 kilometers with the remaining gas.
Additionally, Google Assistant is also connected to your personal Google applications, allowing you to interact with them by voice.
Hey Google, add eggs to my shopping list.
Sure, I added eggs to the list called Shopping.
This includes your Google Calendar, making scheduling on the go possible.
Hey Google, add a lunch appointment with John next Tuesday at noon.
Okay, lunch with John on December 23rd from noon to 1 p.m. Do you want to save that?
Please.
Okay, I saved your event.
You may also activate Google Assistant by pushing the talk button on the steering wheel.
What side of the vehicle is the gas cap on?
The gas cap is on the left.
The more familiar you get with the system, the easier it is to appreciate and explain the benefits it delivers.